Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and customize a signature inside of Gmail. A signature usually includes helpful information like your name, where you work, your phone number, and could even have something like an inspirational quote at the end. Let's go check out how this works. To set up a signature in Gmail, go to the top right hand corner of the UI and then click the gear icon for settings, then follow up by clicking see all settings. Just make sure you are in the general settings area and not in inbox or labels or anything like that. Then scroll down to the near button until you find the signatures area. You can see here there are no signature. We will wanna click on create new. I'm gonna create a signature for work. I'll type in work, then click on create. Next, I'm going to write in my work signature. Here it is. I can adjust the sizing and fonts of anything written in here, small, large, huge, anything. And of course, I can adjust the color. Maybe you wanna insert the logo of your company. You can do that as well. Move your cursor down to the bottom, then click on insert image. It's quite larger in the beginning. I will want to move that down to a smaller size so it doesn't stand out too much of Gmail functionality that allows me to create multiple different signatures. I also want to show you how we can create a signature outside of Gmail, as the tool set in here is actually quite limited. One of my recommendations is to create your signature within either Google Docs or something like Microsoft Word, because you can do a lot more in these programs than you can within the Gmail UI. You can simply create one in here, copy it, and then paste it over into Gmail. My signature has copied over nicely into Gmail. Again, one of the reasons I recommend using those other software program is because you can take advantage of things like tables, which is how you can get a profile picture of yourself to the left or to the right of your signature. Now that my signature is all set up and I have resisted the urge to use Comic Sans as a font, I want to talk about the settings down below. For the new emails, right now it says there is no signature, which means that your email will go out completely blank at the bottom. If I was writing a personal email, I will opt in for the personal signature, and again for work, it's the same thing here. We would use work. The one I always like to consider in this one here, when you reply or forward your email to someone, do you want your signature to appear? This is really up to you for personal preference. I personally found that when I worked in corporations, I tended to not have my signature unreplied because it fills up a long email thread quite quickly. And if you are like me, you are probably using Gmail mostly for personal use. I will select the personal signature for new emails. I will not put any signature on for replies. And here it asks, do you wanna put our signature before quoted text reply? This is basically asking, do you wanna put our signature above somebody else's text in an email thread, the text that you are replying to? I'm going to leave this off for now. If you leave this off and you do want reply signatures in your emails, then they will end up at the very bottom of the email. Once you are happy with all of our signature settings, I will scroll to the very bottom and click save. After clicking on save changes, this drops us back in the Gmail inbox. If I compose a new message, I can see that the signature for my personal signatures pops up right here. You can click the signature in here that you'd like. So if I don't want the personal signature, I can actually select the work signature and it will change for me automatically. I'll say that setting up a signature in a mobile is a little different on Gmail, and we will go and take a look at that right now. Inside the Gmail mobile app, everything looks a bit different. I'm in dark mode. To get to settings, scroll to the bottom, click settings, which is the gear icon. Then I will choose the account I wish to use. Scroll down just a bit until I find this mobile signature. Here it says it's not set. If I click into this, Unlike the desktop or laptop UI, they actually want you to write in your signature right away. You are not naming your signature here. This isn't like you are naming it personal or work. I'm gonna put in my signature that will go out anytime I will use my mobile device with Gmail, and I say please excuse any typos, that kind of thing. You've probably all seen this. I will then select OK to save it, and we see it has been set. Back in mobile UA inbox, I will click compose down at the bottom right, and here we see that my signature has appeared. You can set a signature based on each account you use within Gmail, but unfortunately you can't denote how you want your signature to be set, such as work or personal, or even by forward or reply, things like that. And there you have it. A simple and easy way to create personalized signatures in Gmail. Tell us in the comments how this went for you, and I will see you in the next video.